trucks to the lanes, please. Diesel trucks to the lanes, please. Lane 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Special welcome to our event sponsor, Marty Powell from Superior Automotive in Belvidere, Illinois. Marty and family and friends, they are set up at the White Top Tent. And on display is his son, Jarrett Powell's pickup truck. Always a perennial contender for the Best Appearing Award here at Byron Dragway. This event being held in his memory.
All track personnel to your stations, please. Track personnel, please report to your stations, please.
This is Tony Gutierrez, a 2010 Ford F-350. That is Dylan Page of Belvidere, Illinois. He is a technician at Boone County Transmission, 1998. Dodge Ram Cummins for the 23-year-old. Donovan Vant of Belvidere, Illinois, works at Dan's Diesel Performance, the 2002 GMC Sierra. No shortage of smoke on the right-hand side. He is just going to watch his opponent motor on down the quarter mile. Tyler Davison is well out front. Davison will light the scoreboard, 14-19, 93 miles per hour. Sedona, write this one down, number 609. He is a top contender for best blackout. 1260, 412 miles per hour. Bring your next pair. The Denali on the right-hand side. J.D. Corain. We got the regular cab, left-hand side. That is Max Boltz of Earlville, Illinois. Max Boltz, he'll go 1250, 106 miles per hour. Speaking of Brandon Lembcke, here he is right now on the left-hand side. Can he retake the low ET of the day? The Cummins of Brandon Lembcke, he is on a run. He just got knocked off for the low ET of the day. Can he retake it? Yes, he will by just a fraction of a second. 11:53 with a 1. Number 643 now, this is Gavin Doty of Brockton, Illinois. In the Powerstroke, he is unable to hold back the power of that Powerstroke. So with the flatbed, he is out front. He'll go through second, 16-17, and a 1481 of Mariah Wasted. That was the manual trans truck on the right-hand side. John Albrecht of Poplar Grove, Illinois. Coming up on the left-hand side, the Farmer, 2014 Ford Powerstroke. He's on the left-hand side. In the right-hand lane, we got a good drag race going here. Number 625 in the right-hand side. That is Kyle Engel, all the way from Fort Worth, Texas. 1327, 109 miles per hour. 640 coming up. That is John Hellyer. A nice little blackout going here for the 20-year-old lineman from Marengo, Illinois. 2004 Ford F-250. All right, the light's green. Wave him forward, Jeff. He's smoking us out. Let's go. And once the smoke clears, I can report more from down track. The scoreboard, it appears to say 1531, 90 miles per hour, number 624. Left-hand side, this is the 5th quickest truck on the property. Eric Patterson is the driver. Left-hand lane, he was a 12:19 earlier today. He's going to slow to a 13:23, 110 miles per hour, 15:30, 90 miles per hour for Jesse Trevino. Logan Hunnicky, right-hand side from Bellevue, Iowa, 20-year-old diesel mechanic. Miles, can you see anything out over the 1320? I can read the time on the computer, 12:50, 412 miles per hour. 6:02, right-hand side. That is Jeremy Krostowski, your 9th quickest truck of the day. He's on the right-hand side. Left lane, number 6, 22. That is John Hanna of Earlville, Illinois. And the smoke clears. Jeremy going to go a 12:40, 111 miles per hour. 14:03 at 1:11 on the left-hand side for Josh Hanna. Walker Knight, 21-year-old from Ashton, Illinois, your 3rd quickest truck earlier today. A low 12-second truck, trying to get a little more horsepower. At the finish line, 12:07, 111 miles per hour. Jarrett Powell, he was a fierce competitor in the diesel drags out here year in and year out. He was racing with us just last fall in the diesel drags.